What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to Every Tech Time. So today we're going to do a video tutorial on how to create R projects in Microsoft Visual Studio. So this is going to be a little bit different than the other Visual Studio tutorials that I've been doing, because it's going to be like, this time instead of like debugging, we're going to do like a little graph which shows a little plot in this R project. So let's get started. So we're going to go up to File and then select New Project. Right here it says R Project, and we're going to have the file name as rproject1. Click OK. And then here's your little work template. Alright, so first we're going to write mu space $50, press enter, and we're going to type stddev space, and then we're going to type 1. Press enter again and type n, capital N, space 10,000. Press enter and type pop space rnorm, and parentheses capital N comma mean equals mu comma sd, space equals space stddev. And now we're going to type slash sqrt parentheses n. Well, we're going to type the lowercase n in capital parentheses. And then there. And now we close these parentheses and press enter 2 times. We're going to type n space 30. Press enter and type samp.means. And now we're gonna type what we did like 3 spaces ago. Oh wait, hold on. I made a mistake up here. There, that's better. Okay, so where was I? Oh, right. Now this is where you do the slash sqrt parentheses n. Now we're going to press enter, and we're going to type something similar to what we have been typing, but this time we're going to type max.samp.means. Max parentheses density, and now we're going to do another set of parentheses and type samp.means, and then and then close these current parentheses, the ones that are currently in blue. Alright, so now we're going to type in these parentheses now, $ lowercase y. There. And now press enter 2 times. So now we're going to type plot parentheses density, and now we do not close these current parentheses just yet because there's going to be more to this, so just bear with me. Another set of parentheses and type pop, and close these parentheses and type comma mean equals, and in quotation marks we're going to type population density. Alright, so we're going to press enter, and it's going to tab it, and it's going to press tab for us. And now we're going to type ylim space equals space, and we're going to type C parentheses 0 comma max.samp.means. We're still not going to close these parentheses that are currently showing in blue just yet, but there's more to this, so press enter and type xlab quotation marks capital X comma ylab equals, and then 2 quotation marks with nothing in them. Just leave them blank. Alright, so now we close these current parentheses. Oh wait, yes we do. Press enter, and we're going to type lines parentheses density, another set of parentheses samp.means, and now we close both sets of parentheses, and there's your little code for the R project. Alright, so now we're going to go up to debug, and we're going to select start without debugging, and it's going to show a little graph on the right here, population density, and then a little chart. Pretty neat, huh? And it says 346 by 465 pixels. Alright, so that's how you create R projects in Microsoft Visual Studio. So if this tutorial was helpful, then you can like this video as well as leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos. That said, this is Every Tech Time, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.